Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add a running header in Google Docs. Open your Docs file. Now double click on this page, top of this page, and see this header already active. And second you can add header in insert option, and here you will find this header option and header. Now it says the header position, center. Now type your header here and see this. All of this page header are now same. Now it says first page header, center, and type here. So now click here and see this. First page header are now different from other pages header, and see this. In this way you can add running header your docs document. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.